from 0 to 200 miles an hour. We're going to show you the motor. In fact, you might have had a chance to see the drive unit. I mean, this is really an amazing work of engineering.
Elon Musk's new engine just ended the EV war and no one saw it coming. Think you've seen every twist in the world of electric cars? Think again. Elon Musk has just revealed something that could change everything we thought we knew about driving. Not just another small update, not just a faster car, but a brand new motor technology that doesn't join the electric race, it ends it. We're talking about a motor so advanced, so smooth, and so powerful that it feels like science fiction. No gears grinding, no energy wasted, no limits on speed or range. Just pure silent power that could bury every competitor once and for all. So, how did Elon Musk pull this off? And what does it mean for the future of driving for Tesla and for the entire car industry? Buckle up because in this video we're breaking it all down. Before we dive into Elon Musk's new engine, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's understand the battlefield. Right now, car companies are in the middle of what many call the EV war. Tesla has been the leader for years, dominating sales and capturing the imagination of millions. But big automakers like Ford, GM, Volkswagen, Toyota, and Mercedes are pouring billions into their own electric cars. Governments are pushing rules to ban gasoline cars, forcing companies to go electric or be left behind. The competition is fierce. Every company wants the crown. Every company is racing to build the car of the future. But here's the thing. Elon Musk has never been interested in just competing. His goal has always been to stay so far ahead that nobody else can catch up. And with this new engine, he might have done exactly that. What makes this motor so special? So, what exactly is Elon Musk's new motor? It's a completely redesigned electric drive system that takes everything we know about EVs and pushes it to the extreme. Here's what makes it different. No gears, no lag. Traditional cars rely on gears to shift power. Even EVs sometimes experience lag when delivering torque. But Musk's motor delivers power instantly and smoothly with no gears grinding in the background. Unlimited speed potential. Most motors hit a ceiling when they spin too fast. Musk's design breaks that barrier, meaning the motor can run at higher speeds without losing efficiency. Insane range improvements thanks to better efficiency. This motor uses less energy while giving more performance. That means Teslas could drive farther on a single charge, possibly hundreds of miles more than current EVs. Whisper silent power. It's not just strong, it's silent. The motor runs so smoothly that driving feels like floating. Built for durability. Traditional motors wear out. Gears break. But this motor design has fewer moving parts, meaning it could last longer and require less maintenance. In simple terms, it's faster, stronger, smoother, and smarter than anything we've seen before. How did Musk pull it off? Now, the big question, how did Elon Musk and his Tesla team manage to create this? The answer lies in three key things Musk has always believed in. Relentless innovation. Tesla doesn't just make cars, they constantly reinvent them. From batteries to self-driving tech, Tesla is always one step ahead. In-house engineering. Unlike many car makers who outsource parts, Tesla builds its motors, software, and battery systems from the ground up. This gives them total control over design and performance. Thinking like the future. While most companies build for today's needs, Musk builds for tomorrow's. His team designed this engine not just for cars today, but for cars that could dominate for the next 20 years. This new engine isn't just an improvement, it's a statement. Tesla is not slowing down. What this means for Tesla's rivals. If this motor works as Elon Musk claims, the impact could be devastating for Tesla's rivals. Think about it. Companies like Ford and GM are still trying to catch up to Tesla's existing technology. Volkswagen and Toyota are spending billions on EVs that already struggle to match Tesla's range and performance. And now, Musk just moved the finish line even further away. It's like everyone else is running a marathon and Elon Musk just switched to a jetpack. This is why people are saying Musk's new engine could end the EV war. Because if Tesla's cars suddenly become much faster, longer lasting, and more efficient than everyone else's, why would anyone buy anything else? BYD has unveiled a new technology. BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. BYD is a high-tech company. This moment didn't arrive by luck. It was earned through sweat, sleepless nights, and relentless innovation. Standing on stage with a quiet fire in his voice, BYD's CEO didn't boast. He simply looked out and said what the world already suspected. We are changing the rules. Behind him, a million-strong workforce and 120,000 engineers had already built the future, one battery, one breakthrough at a time. Now, BYD isn't just making cars. It's building a legacy, a new engine, a new battery, a new brain for driving. This isn't just evolution. It's a revolution. Let's dive into what's really happening. The future of driving with Musk's motor. So, what does this mean for you, the driver? It means the cars of the future won't just be electric. They'll be better in every way. Imagine driving for 600, 700, even 800 miles on a single charge. Imagine hitting top speeds without the engine ever straining. Imagine cars that never need oil changes, never need gear repairs, and almost never break down. Imagine a car that feels so smooth, it's like gliding across the road on air. That's the future Musk is pointing to, not just replacing gas cars with electric ones, but building cars that are so advanced, so flawless, that driving will never be the same again. For years, electric vehicles have been locked in a battle of battery speed and range. Every car maker was trying to outdo the other with small upgrades, slightly longer mileage here, a faster charge there. But Musk's new engine doesn't just move the goalpost, it removes it entirely. Imagine an electric motor that runs so efficiently, it makes today's top EVs look outdated overnight. No overheating, no wasted energy, and no clunky transmissions slowing things down. This isn't just about building a better car. It's about creating a new standard that forces every competitor from Tesla's rivals in the US to automakers in Europe and Asia to rethink their strategies or risk fading into history. Is this the end of gas cars? For over a century, gas-powered engines ruled the roads. But Musk's new motor might finally change that forever. Unlike traditional engines that burn fuel and pollute the air, this breakthrough relies only on clean electricity, yet it delivers more power than most sports cars could dream of. Imagine a future where highways are silent, where families save money because they never need gas again, and where cities breathe cleaner air. This isn't just about a faster car, it's about reshaping how the world moves from daily commutes to global transport. If Musk's plan succeeds, we may look back at gas engines the way we now look at horse-drawn carriages, powerful in their time, but destined to be left in the past. What makes this invention truly exciting is that it's not limited to just cars. Think of planes that run silently without fuel, ships that cut across oceans without emissions, and even heavy trucks that carry massive loads without burning diesel. Musk's new engine could be the key that finally makes clean transportation possible on every level. And once production scales up, it won't just change how we drive, it could change how we live. Cleaner cities, quieter streets, and transportation that's cheaper and more efficient for everyone. This is more than just the end of the EV war. It's the beginning of an entirely new era in human mobility. But wait, is there a catch? Of course, no technology is perfect. There are still challenges. Building these motors at scale could be expensive at first. Tesla will need to prove the durability of this design in the real world, not just in labs. Rivals may try to copy or block the technology with patents and lawsuits. But if history has taught us anything, it's this. When Elon Musk says he's building something revolutionary, he usually delivers. From reusable rockets to fully self-driving cars, Musk has made the impossible happen again and again. And this new motor could be his next big victory. The fiercely competitive electric vehicle war has been relentlessly raging for years. A global battlefield where legacy automakers and ambitious startups are locked in a high-stakes struggle for market dominance, with not only billions of dollars in capital and consumer loyalty at stake, but also the very future of global transportation hanging precariously in the balance. A paradigm shift away from the internal combustion engine that will define mobility for generations to come. But in a stunning strategic maneuver, Elon Musk and Tesla may have just effectively ended the protracted war in one masterful, decisive move, fundamentally altering the competitive landscape. His company's newly revealed engine, a marvel of electrical and mechanical engineering, isn't just a simple, incremental step forward. It is, by all accounts, a monumental and audacious leap into the future, representing a foundational technology that delivers a motor which is demonstrably faster in acceleration, stronger in torque output, whisper quiet in its operation, and radically more efficient in its energy consumption than anything else currently available, or even theorized on the road. If Tesla succeeds in mass-producing and deploying this technology reliably across its fleet, this revolutionary development won't just incrementally change cars. It promises to completely overhaul and transform how we fundamentally think about transportation itself, from personal ownership and performance to logistics and energy infrastructure. The pressing, existential question that now hangs over the entire automotive industry is, does any competitor possess the resources, the intellectual capital, and the speed to catch up? Or, having secured this potentially insurmountable technological lead, is Elon Musk, the perennial disruptor, about to leave the entire established industry trailing hopelessly in his dust, cementing Tesla's dominance for the foreseeable future?